I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by getting the tools, an extension that supports custom cursors, and a ready image file. Once done, make sure your cursor art is 32 to 128 pixels with transparency so it scales cleanly. Next, install the extension from the store. If you plan to test your own file, enable developer mode and load an unpacked extension. This gets you into Chrome's extension workflow quickly, so you can move straight into uploading or assigning the cursor without detours. You now upload and configure the cursor inside the extension UI. After opening the options, choose Upload or Import, then select your PNG or SVG file. The extension will usually preview it. Make sure to set the hotspot coordinates so clicks align with the visual tip. Small offsets fix apparent lag. Once configured, test the cursor on multiple tabs and pages. Different page styles can reveal alignment or scaling issues, so iterate until the pointer behaves reliably across sites. Finish by applying the cursor to your profile or limiting it to specific sites if the extension offers site rules. After you apply changes, reload open tabs or restart Chrome to force the browser to adopt the new pointer. If the cursor fails to appear or looks pixelated, revert to a default pointer, then re-upload an optimized image at 32/128px and correct the hotspot coordinates. One troubleshooting tip: disable other cursor or accessibility extensions that might override or conflict with your custom pointer.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.